Hello again, Internet. I wanted to show you something that I came up with for rain. So, I bought some Gore-Tex material off the Internet. It's really, really lightweight, and I had it cut and sewn. And I sewed in a couple of magnets on the top. And then the bottom, there are some steel washers sewn in. And on my chair, I have attached some other magnets. So here's how it works. So I kind of stretch it out. Oh, if you heard one click, that was a magnet. There's another one. Go back like this, attach it back there, attach it back there. And then I reach down, attach the side, and that one there, it's attached. I actually wore it yesterday to work, and it was raining and windy, and I didn't get wet at all. And then also something I had made that it actually velcros on the inside that I'll be using this winter. So I bought a really lightweight down sleeping bag and had it cut. So this will actually fit. It fits inside this rainfly, and there's little pieces of Velcro to hold it in there. I'm going to add a couple more because I wasn't satisfied with the hold. So this will be on the inside of the Gore-Tex. So waterproof and insulated with down, like a pair of snow pants. And it comes off easy enough. If I can hook my thumb in that loop, but anyways, you get the idea. I actually can send pictures or something if anyone's interested. It works like a charm. So that's all for now.